Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I received in this month's Boxycharm box. This is the November 2021 Boxycharm box. I'm not sure what the theme of this month's box is, to be honest. The paper says invite only, so I'm not 100% sure if that's the theme or what, but that's what the card says. This box is the base box and it's $25, and also I do receive these complimentary from Boxycharm. Just gotta let you know. Alright, moving on. I'm starting off by trying the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Cleanser, which came inside the Boxycharm box. And after I wash my face with that, we're gonna move on to the rest. This video is going to be a little bit different than my usual Boxycharm unboxings. In this video, I will be trying them out and then telling you more about them later, my thoughts on the items, and the prices of them as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put some music on. I'm going to be quiet so I don't bore y'all with a voiceover during this makeup application, and then we'll pick back up in just a little bit. If at any time during this little makeup application, if I'm using something and you want to know what it is, just ask down below in the comments. I didn't feel like doing a voiceover for each thing that I was applying, so if there's something I'm using on here and you want to know what it is, just ask.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no it's no more, no. We're done now, no it's no more. We're done now, no it's no more. We're done now, no it's no more, no, no. We're done now, no it's no more. We're done now, no it's no more. We're done now, no it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no it's no more, no. We're done now, no it's no more. We're done now, no it's no more. We're done now, no it's no more, no, no. We're done now, no it's no more. We're done now, no it's no more. We're done now, no it's no more, no, no. Yeah.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lack and everlasting ego.
The Violet Voss palette retails for $37. It has a mix of mattes, shimmers, and metallics. Even though I really like this palette, I feel like I have a lot of these same exact colors. But they're nice colors and they blend well, they're super pigmented, so I will continue to use this palette. The Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser retails for $40, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all, this cleanser was the bomb.com. It was super moisturizing, it felt really good while applying it and after rinsing, and I would have to say this is my most favorite item in the box so far. The Seraphine Botanicals Primrose Cream Lip and Cheek Palette retails for $42, so this is actually the most expensive item in the box. I really like cream blushes, but I feel like they just don't last long, but I really like this palette, so I'm going to continue to use it. The Trust Fund Beauty Better Than Therapy Lip Oil retails for $18, and I really like this, y'all, especially for the wintertime. My lips get super dry, so I like having different products around like this for my lips. It was really moisturizing, non-greasy, it's infused with vitamin E. It can be worn alone or on top of other lip products. The Ace Beauté Eyeshadow Amplifying Base retails for $14.99. I have to say, I'm not sure how I feel about this product yet, only because I'm not a big fan of eyeshadow primers and bases. I don't really use them that often, but I'm going to continue to use the product to see how I feel about it. So anyways, just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and leave me some comments down below because as always, I would love to hear from you. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye!